Have you ever tried to print a particular section of your Excel document or specific cells? Most people will go and delete or hide the columns that they don't want to print. However, there's a much quicker and more effective way to do this in Excel using the Set Print Area function. So to do this, go ahead and select all the cells that you want to print. So in this document, I want to print cells A1 through J12. Once it's selected, head over to the Page Layout tab, find where it says Print Area, and then click Set Print Area. The print area is now set. So if we use Control P, you can see I'm not printing our auditor's notes, so obviously the client will not see that. If you did want to print those, go back and say Clear Print Area, and now the entire document will print. If you have an inventory listing and say you only wanted to print columns A through E, but you can see there's thousands of lines, you can simply just go ahead and select the columns. So I'm going to use columns A through E because I don't want the client to see column F. I'm going to say Set Print Area, and using Control P again, let's say Show Print Preview, and you can now see it is only going to print the columns that we wanted to. If at a later stage you have additional columns, you can either clear the print area, or you can add to the print area by just selecting the additional row or column that you want. So if I say Add to Print Area, we go back to the print preview, you can now see it is showing the entire print area. So no longer do you have to go and delete columns or hide them. You can just use the Set Print Area in Microsoft Excel.